Hey guys, you have me again, and today I've got two unboxings, one from E.L.F, one from Too Faced. So I'm gonna start with Too Faced first, and I'll just get the E.L.F box out of the way since it's so awkwardly large. Both of these are from clearance sales, and of course I ordered them like minutes ago, so I've already forgotten what I've ordered. Oh, look, that's cute! Alright, looks like 6 things I ordered, but I love that they use this. This is great. Okay, now how can I take this all out without making a huge mess? I think it's just how it is. It's gonna be a huge mess, but free Easter grass. Jeez, free Easter grass for the whole city. Let me see here. Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick. Which one is this? Oh, Unicorn Tears. So this is the one that's got like a glossy kind of blue to it. Okay, so let me do a quick switchity swatch. Whoop. Oh, it's kind of purpley too. That's kind of cool. And silver. I like that. All the colors. And I think there's another lipstick. Okay, I think this was one of my free samples. This is Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick. Melted lipstick in a tube. Yeah, this one's kind of small, so I think that's what it is, but it doesn't say the color on it. There it is, Chihuahua. You might not be able to see it very well with the glare. But I swear I've got this light down as low as it'll go. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna test that one just because I don't want to get that applicator sponge all icked up right before I'm ready to use it. Sorry! But it's kind of like a doll pink color. And then, okay, so my other lipstick over here. And this one is the color Peekaboo. So this one's a pretty pinky pink color. Let's see how it looks. Go. Yeah, that's a very cutesy pink color. I like that a lot. Because I realized I've been buying all these lipsticks and they're mostly neutral colors, so I wanted some fun things too. Oh yeah. I remember ordering this now. Too Faced One Hot Mama, you're like really pretty. Very Mean Girl-esque. And if you saw my other unboxings, you know I got the Burn Book makeup palette because I am obsessed with Mean Girls. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, the back is super cute too. It says Too Faced in a big pink heart. And then in here, we've got all nicely tissue wrapped up. Oh good, there's a brush. I always need brushes. And another melted matte lipstick in color Queen Bee. Better Than Sex mascara, like a travel size one. Too Faced Candlelight Glow Rosy Glow Highlighting Powder Duo. Okay, that's super cute. Let me turn off the light there and maybe you can see it a little bit better. I know it's not great. And the brush is really nice and soft. I love that and I love the colors on it. We've got a pink tip on a white brush with a pink handle. And moving on down the line, let's see how this color compares. Ooh, this is like a berry, like purpley kind of color. That is pretty cute. I love all these so far. Part of the Tutti Frutti Do You full coverage foundation sample, so I guess I would be maybe snow, maybe light beige, probably snow. I usually tend to be the lightest of the light colors. I'm translucent, I'm so white. Can't even tan, I just get sun poisoning. And now here's this big old Life's a Peach Ultimate Collection. I didn't think I ordered more than the eyeshadow palette, so hey, I'm not sure what all's in here. Really cute little peach though. Let me retrieve my handy dandy tweezers and see if I can get this to crack open. There we go. Oh, cool. So I got like a whole eye set here. I've got Better Than Sex mascara, Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. I don't think I have any eyeshadow primer yet. And then the Life's a Peach palette, which, how can I get to you? Yeah, there we go. Just don't mess it up. Oh, it's got a little card in it too. And yeah, it looks like peaches and cream. It's just telling you different types of eyeshadow designs you can make with this. Smoldering Peach and Southern Belle. And let me try to turn off the light. Okay, that kinda, you can see that pretty well, I think. We've got this orangey pinky ombre with the sweet peach, little sweet peach on the back. And inside, I think it's supposed to smell like peaches. Let me... Yeah, I can definitely get a fruity scent out of the back. Totally yummy. And we have all kinds of colors down here. Bless her heart. When Southern people say bless your heart, that means you're stupid, but they want to be polite about it. Candied Peach, Georgia, Peaches and Cream. I expect to review this whole palette later, so I'm not going to get too into it right now, but these colors talk derby to me. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, these colors are adorable. I love it. I love that I got the whole kit. Just not sure why I don't remember ordering the whole kit. Moving on, we'll put the giant amount of Easter grass in here. I wonder how they came about this. Like they said, you know, we need a packing material that's really cute. Oh, you know what was in my kid's Easter basket? Let's try that out. I mean, hey, it works. I'm not complaining. It's just really kind of funny when people send that in the boxes. It's like, oh, I got Easter grass. Yay! It's like my present basket. Confetti! Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's see what I got from E.L.F. Their boxes are always so bizarre to me. They never open the way you think they're gonna open. There we go. Look at all that. It says 28 pieces. I know I spent about $40. Hyper Shine lip gloss in color Joy. Let me turn out the light here so you can maybe see better. Hyper Shine lip gloss in the color Joy. These were like 80 cents a piece for these eyeshadow palettes, and this one is Matte for Plum. This one's Blushing Beauty. Tone correcting powder, and it says Cool, so I guess that's the shades. Matte lip color in Berry Sherbet, or Sorbet if you're fancy. Highlighter Glow, an eye blending brush and a contouring brush. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette in Island Breeze. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette. Smoky eyeshadow palette. HD under eye setting powder in Sheer. Beautifully Bare satin lipstick. Color is Touch of Berry, so it's another purpley one. Cosmic shade of the eyeliner pencil. We've got blush in the shade of Blushoon. Moisturizing lipstick in Bordeaux Beauty. Do you know if I'm saying that right? Twinkling taupe colored eye primer transformer. Another blush in the color of Glow, but it's got its own little applicator in there. E.L.F. lip balm tint. I don't know if I ordered that or if that was a free gift thing. Silky eyeshadow in Berry Please. Prismatic highlighting stick in Cosmic. Ooh, a stipple brush. Bronzer in the color Deep. A Hello Hydration face cream sample. Aqua Beauty Radiant Gel lip tint in Dewy Berry. Got a lot of purples in this one. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette in Cool Mist. It's really hard to find blues lately, I've noticed. There's not a ton of blues out there. It's all purple, purple, purple. And then Barely There satin lipstick in Touch of Nude. Alright, the eyeshadow and blushes we're not gonna test out, but I will do all the lipsticks. So much makeup for so little. I'm not going to do the lip balm. That's a lip tint, so I'm not going to do that. I think that's like a gel that goes over your lips, but we'll try the Touch of Berry Barely There satin lipstick. Should probably turn the light back on. And yeah, it's got a purpley pinky tone to it. It's not super purple. Oh yeah, that's like a really deep, almost purple color to it. It's a little red, little purpley, but much darker than the other one. Let's see, matte lip color in Berry Sherbet. Oh, that one's super cute. Kind of like a cherry meets a pink meets a purple. I definitely say that's a very sherbety color. And then Touch of Nude, which I think might have been the freebie one that we got. Never remember which ones are the samples at the end of the day. Man, aren't I really good at swatches? Isn't that just so attractive? But yeah, the nude has a touch of like an orangey, peachy kind of color to it, but it's very nude. Apparently doing it with my left hand, I'm much worse at making a halfway decent straight line. Oh well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. But this was my double haul clearance unboxing for the end of this winter season. Not spring, it's not spring yet. So that's all I have to show you for now. Thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you next time!